For the tools and techniques you need to make your repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to install a turn lock purse fastener, P-2410. This can also be referred to as a flap catch because it's installed in the flap of a purse or bag. Step 1. Get the right tools. P-2410 turn lock. This is made up of the following: 2 small rivets, 3 medium rivets, front lock plate, a back lock plate. Your material: we're using a piece of scrap leather for demonstration, rivet setter, rawhide hammer, leather punch, and a leather awl. Step 2. Set the base of the lock. Lay the base of the lock on the material you are using for your project. Use a leather awl to mark the 3 rivet holes. Punch 3 holes where you marked the leather. Insert the 3 medium-sized rivet posts through the back of the base. Lay the cap of the rivet over the posts and set the 3 rivets using your domed rivet setter. Step 3. Set the top of the lock. Using 2 small rivets, repeat step 2 for the front of the lock. And there you have it, installing a turn lock P-2410 on a purse or bag. Try it for yourself. Find all of these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.